I started out in exploration as a core cutter, which is almost 15 years ago. From there, I became the receptionist, maintenance clerk, maintenance planner, mom, therapist, the woman that everybody calls on when they need something, they can't find something. I'm gonna handle my team. And this company gives you that ability to move around, to be as free as you wanna be and try out new opportunities that see what fits you best. There's no average day here. It's gonna change within a minute, within an hour, within a second, within a day, month, year. There's no average day. What I love most about this role is my team and how we work together and do things together. And if I don't understand it, they're willing to be patient with me and explain to me what's going on, what's it for, and why they need it. I was able to raise my boys on this career, and then when they got old enough to have a career of their own, they followed mom to work. I guess by me going home and I'm not burned out from my job, and I always spoke highly of this place, and I always told them, yeah, it's great, it's fun, it's safe because I'm coming back home to you every day. And they was like, okay, well, I want to try my luck at it. I want to see what I can do. And I bought both of them out here in the maintenance department. One is a tech for maintenance tech, and one is a logistics tech with parts. And they're both enjoying it. They come work with smiles. They don't get out of bed groaning and like, oh, I got to come to this place. They're happy. And when we get home, that's all they like to talk about. Working at Oceanago it's a great place to work. If you're looking for a career, advancement, and movement, this is the place because it's ramping up, it's going. and just be on the boat and ready for the ride.